Imagine earning steady returns every single day without stressing about market volatility or complicated trading. That's exactly what money market funds, or MMFs, can help you achieve. And in today's video, I'll be showing you a simple but powerful daily cash flow strategy using MMFs that you can apply right away. Section 1. What are money market funds, MMFs? MMFs are low-risk mutual funds that invest in short-term financial instruments like treasury bills, commercial papers, and bank placements. They're designed for safety, liquidity, and steady income. Think of MMFs as a safe parking spot for your cash that still pays you returns daily. Section 2. How do MMFs generate daily cash flow? 1. Daily interest accrual. Returns are calculated daily and added to your investment balance. 2. Liquidity advantage. You can withdraw any time, usually within 24 hours. 3. Compounding effect. Reinvesting your earnings daily helps your money grow faster. Example, if you invest $500,000 in an MMF yielding 12% annually, that's roughly $6,000 monthly or so $200 daily, passively without effort. Section 3. Daily cash flow strategy with MMFs. Here's how to structure your strategy. Step 1. Capital allocation. Decide how much of your income or savings to keep in MMFs. Recommended, at least 20 to 30% of emergency funds or idle cash. Step 2. Staggered withdrawals. Instead of withdrawing bulk, you can schedule daily or weekly withdrawals as cash flow. For example, direct 1M invested equals about 9,000 circles, 10,000 per week, which you can withdraw to support living expenses. Step 3. Reinvestment loop. Don't spend all your earnings. Reinvest part of it. This creates cash flow plus capital growth. Section 4. Who should use this strategy? Freelancers who want predictable income. Business owners who keep idle cash between transactions. Salary earners saving towards a project but still want daily access to cash. Section 5. Pros and cons of MMFs for cash flow. Pros: safer than stocks or crypto. Daily access to cash. Steady, predictable returns. Cons: lower returns than high-risk assets. Inflation can reduce real value if rates are low. Not ideal for long-term wealth growth alone. So, if you're looking for a safe and simple way to generate daily passive income, money market funds are one of the smartest strategies out there. Start small, test the process, and scale as your confidence grows. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more financial strategies, and drop a comment below if you'd like me to share the best MMF providers in Nigeria or your country.